For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're anything like me and value both time and hygiene when cleaning, the O-Cedar easywring RinseClean microfiber spin mop and bucket system might just be what you've been missing. After testing various mops for my home cleaning content over the years, I can say this one stands out for a key reason. It lets you mop using only clean water the entire time. The dual tank setup separates clean and dirty water, so you're not smearing old grime back onto your floors. That alone changed the way I clean after hosting big gatherings. One feature I personally love is its ability to remove over 99% of bacteria with just water. According to lab tests by O-Cedar, the microfiber head does the job without any harsh chemicals. I've tried this out on high traffic areas in my home and even let my toddler crawl around afterward with peace of mind. The foot pedal spin feature is also super practical. It gives you hands-free control over moisture levels, which is especially helpful when dealing with different floor types. Cost saving is real, too. Compared to disposable spray mops, this system helps save up to 4x annually. I've actually tracked my cleaning expenses for a project last year, and switching to this system significantly reduced recurring costs. The machine washable mop heads are easy to remove and reuse. No more rushing to the store because you ran out of pads. I always keep 1 or 2 clean ones ready in a drawer, just in case. The triangular, 360-degree rotating head has honestly helped me clean spots under furniture that I used to ignore. I still remember the first time I used it and finally cleaned under the TV stand. So satisfying. It works great on various surfaces like hardwood, tile, vinyl, and laminate, and I've used it across every room in my house without leaving streaks or damage. Made from durable plastic with a neutral gray design, it's light enough to carry around and comes with 3 extra mop heads. That's been useful for rotating between weekly cleanups and deep cleaning days. I now recommend this mop in my cleaning workshops and content, not just for ease but because it really gets the job done without extra waste or chemicals. So, from someone who's tried plenty of mops and actually teaches others how to clean more efficiently, this one earns a permanent spot in my cleaning tools. If you're tired of dirty water and worn-out pads, this is the upgrade worth making.